Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can download profile picture of someone on Instagram. Whether you are following them or not, it doesn't matter. So first you have to click on three dots. Then click on copy profile URL. Then you have to minimize it. Then open Play Store and search Instagram profile viewer. Then you will have to download this application, HD profile picture viewer. I have already downloaded it. Now I will open it. Now click on paste. Your link will be pasted. Now click on search. So there is two options. First, update to pro, where you have to pay some money to download the profile picture without ads. But I will choose second option. So I just have to watch 20-second ads. Then I can download it easily. So now you have to wait for few seconds until this video is completed. Then you can easily download the profile picture. Until then, please subscribe and like also. As you can see, detected the Instagram account. Wow, you can see it is HD quality. So just you have to press on save. It will automatically save on your mobile. So now I will check whether it is saved or not. Open gallery. See, it has been downloaded and the quality is really awesome. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and also subscribe and press the bell icon